Today we're looking at a certified 2016 Honda Civic LX. It's got 29,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's modern steel metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. All right, everything looks really good on the driver's side. Go across the back of the vehicle here. It does have the rear backup camera. Everything looks good there. Down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on the exterior of this Civic. It's a 16, all right, 29,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. It's a certified piece. All right, it's got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the nice thick rubber Civic floor mats, okay? Gray cloth seating. Driver's seat's in really good shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good. All right, it is an automatic. It's your climate control there. It's your AM, FM right there. Okay, and also you've got your backup camera display right there, and we'll show you that in a second. It's got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 29,913 miles. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio. All right, go ahead and engage the backup camera. And let me see if I can dim this down for you just a bit. There we go. All right, then your climate control area. AC is blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Does have the rear thick rubber floor mats back here as well. Back seat cloth is in fantastic shape. No problem back here at all. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. Take a look at the trunk. It's got the plastic protector mat back here as well. All right, got the spare tire down there. But I'll step to the side. Plenty of room back here in the back of this Civic. You get a couple suitcases back there easy. All right, 16-inch steel wheels. The nice hubcaps on there. Tires are in great shape. Brand new set of tires. Still see the writing on them here. Okay. Once again, it's a certified 2016 Honda Civic LX, 29,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.